coffee. You guys ready? "50 seconds away, ladies and gentlemen." Okay, it's trying to do a little thing. Crazy Houston says, "Try hard pants on, let's go." Let's fucking go, Crazy Houston. You ready, big boy? 30 seconds away, ladies and gentlemen. Phase 1, here we go. 15 seconds, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go to Lithuania. Oh, snap, there's a shizzle. Woo! Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, that's a snap dizzle for shizzle. Oh, that's a snap dizzle for shizzle. Oh my goodness. Look at that, 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 look at that. Snap diddly, snap diddly, snap diddly. Quick little faux hundo, quick little $300 move. Snap diddly, let's get it. Phase 1 has just started, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, snap diddly. Oh, look at that pimple. Oh my goodness, I can't even see shit with that circle. Get it out of my face. Look at that, here we go, here we go now, here we go now, here we go now. Lithuania, 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 and we're blasting off. S&P, S&P, ooh wee, ooh wee, let's get it. A pink. Grab the booty. All right, I gotta try to not get liquidated and also get to pull off some Prince Charming shit today. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody! Make sure you guys do your thing for your lady. Oh! Arancito, why so bearish? Well, it's not really so much about so first things first, right, Arancito? If you go to sentiment and you look at stuff like whale wallet size and whale wallet ratio, you can clearly see that the people that always are buying a shit ton of coins at every market bottom, they haven't bought yet. So that's pretty interesting, right? All the U.S. politicians are in huge shorts, and they have been shorting since November. What's up with that? Did you remember when we looked at the JP Morgan chart where we are at an historical all-time high for retail order flow? So S&P getting pumped like this, it has been all retail. Did you know that we're at a historic all-time high in terms of retail order flow? We're higher than the COVID pump. So there's more retail money in the markets right now than there was with billions of free money flowing around. So it's hard to time stuff. And it's not that, like, 15,000 could be the bottom. Like, let's say, for example, some crazy geopolitical shit happens, right? What if, like, Xi Jinping dies and China all of a sudden becomes like a democratic fucking spot and they start to pop off? I don't know. You know, or like, what if Putin drops a nuke? So there's always like geopolitical shit. What if there's a new case of COVID that you can't have vaccines for? And China has to go into lockdown again and we have supply chain issues again. But there's a lot of stuff that can happen geopolitically, but assuming that we don't have shit like that and just we're looking at the data, are all the US politicians shorting, and have they been shorting since November, and are they adding on every pump? Yes. What's up with that? All-time high historically on retail order flow, and the whale wallet size and whale wallet ratio indicates that the people that have always bought at the bear market cycle bottoms, they haven't bought yet. So that's undeniable. That's data. So I'm just going off of that. Arancito. Yeah, but could we pump to 25 or 26 or 27? Sure. I'm shorting the fuck out of that, though. Druss says, where are you seeing politicians shorting? You can just go to a lot of the first thing that I would say is there's nothing that you can think of that somebody else hasn't thought of already. So if you are ever curious as to, I wonder if this data set exists, you could probably just Google it. So there's many places that show it, Druss. Constitutionally, politicians in the United States, they have to disclose their trades. So all these places are just getting it from the congressional or the Senate website. So if you didn't want to pay for these services, you can always go directly to the government agency websites that report these things. But all you got to do is just type in U.S. politician stock trading tracker. So you got capitaltrades.com, Smart Insider, Quiver Quant, Senate Stock Watch, Congress Stock Watch, House Stock Watch. I use Unusual Whales. You know me, Unusual Whales. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So why are all the politicians, even the people on the House Senate committee, why are they in shorts, big ass shorts? Why are they shorting the U.S. economy? Did you know that no one has lost money on us? Like sometimes they might have one bad year, but did you know that no politician has ever had a losing term? So why are they shorting SPY? You know what I'm saying? What and the crazy thing is the only thing that they're buying are ETFs that are shorting SPY. So hopefully that helps you out, Druss. I don't really try to figure out what's going on or have this complex. Like I've already gone down, every TA rabbit hole, and at the end of the day, I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm going to just follow the whales. I'm going to just copy the whales. So that's what I do. I'll be right back. Let's get this workout out of the way. Show it now. There we go. Okay, I will be back. I gotta go grab these flowers. Yin yang twins. Did I miss daily? Oh, fuck. 2 claps. Markets are closed, right? All right. Everybody all right? Oh, man, fuck. Here's the golden pocket again, little bitch. Can we just nuke through this? How much time do we have left? 11 minutes. Fuck. Fucking Macaulay Culkin. Man, ES better continue the resumption down, after tapping that golden poquito. Yeah, we need a little help here. I hope S&P doesn't bitch out on me. 618 support. It could be, Miss Antonia. It could be. We could bounce from here. Anything. Is this a bull div? No, it's not. Thank God. I mean, if you just had to do basic math, you would think that this golden pocket would get, if it was going to actually bounce, right? So hopefully we get down here and even lower. I don't know. Fuck, I hope it doesn't bounce there. Anything is possible, Antonia. I need Macaulay Culkin to just have diarrhea from all those crab cakes he's been eating. What a day. Shout outs to CPI. Shout outs to CPI. All right. Let's get it. Rooting for each and every one of you guys. Stay safe. Love ya. And have a great night, everybody. Peace, everybody. I'll see you guys in about 10 hours. Let's do it.